Here we have the spreadsheet after we're done with some basic formatting tricks. Now, is that going to change your life forever? No, it is not. But it is going to set you ahead of 90% of Excel users. Pretty cool for just something that takes a few minutes to learn. I think that's good enough. All right, so let's just dive in and see how it's actually done. So formatting is all about making things as accessible for everyone to look at, so it's easy to understand. So you're trying to control where everyone's looking and make it easier on their eyes to look at the numbers and stuff. So first, we're going to change these numbers so they have a 1000 separator. Now you can actually add that up here on the home tab like this. But that also adds the decimal points. You can remove them just by clicking here. That's pretty cool, pretty easy. But it actually leaves a space behind the number, after the number, and I don't really like that. So instead, I'm doing it another way. So I'm just gonna undo the actions here like this, and then I'm gonna hit the shortcut Control 1. Now you can also access this Format Cells box by right-clicking and click on Format Cells, and there you have it. So Format Cells, on the first tab here, go to the number category and just to choose that one, the number format. Click on Use 1000 Separator and make 0 decimal places. Change that to 0 and click OK. Now, this is actually the same, but we don't have this stupid little space behind the after the number, and I prefer it this way. Now, that's just a small thing, but it actually makes the numbers easier to understand, and it's a nice little detail. Now, let's move on to bigger things. Let's add a title. So right-click on the row number 1 here and insert a column. Now, we are going to merge and center this to make it into one big cell, and then we'll add the title, and that's going to be sales data from the what was it, a Los Angeles store. Let's just say this is from the LA store. And now what we want to do is to separate the titles and the headers up here from the data and the formulas down here. And we usually do that with some colors. So let's just pick a color. I recommend that you don't use these standard colors because the goal here is to make it easier on the eyes. But these colors, they don't really make it easy on the eyes. It actually makes it more difficult to look at the numbers and data. So instead, pick these other theme colors and use some nuance and shade of a color you like. I typically like to use this blue right here. So I'm just gonna click that. Now, so far so good. We're not quite there yet, but this is a nice start. So again, select all the cells and click here to bold the text. That also helps to separate the headers and the titles from the data and the formulas. And additionally, we're going to add a border around this. So there are a few ways to do that. You can click this little button here to add different types of borders to the data. But actually, a nice trick is that you can click here, or you can right click and go to Format Cells again, and then you can go to the Border tab, and from there you can actually draw the border in this little preview box. You can select the border you want to use, and you can click where it should go over here. This takes a little time getting used to, so just play around with it. And that's actually the best way to learn this. Now let's just draw up here. You can use these presets to draw let's make a thick border on the outline and then a thinner border on the inside like this, and hit OK. And there we have it, a nice border around the headers over here. Cool. Let's make this a title a little bit bigger like this. And there we have it. That's actually the format, the format that we were after. This is actually setting you apart from most Excel users, and when your boss looks at this, they'll see someone who looks like an Excel expert and not a total noob. All right, So this little trick that I was about to show you. So let me just, I'm gonna delete this one here actually, and then I'm gonna remove the formatting from this data set up here. So clear formats. Now, this trick is 2 or 3 or 4 clicks or something like that. And then the whole data set is formatted automatically. And that is actually to format as a table. And here it's just here from the home tab, click it and format as a table. And then just select the color you want. Sometimes when you hover your mouse over this, it'll actually show a preview, and sometimes it doesn't. I prefer the medium ones. Let's just use this one here, and you gotta check that your table has headers if it actually has headers up here, which it probably does. So click OK, and now you have a nicely formatted spreadsheet. And actually this data set has these banded rows. That actually means that every other row has a different color. You can more easily see what the numbers, in this case, what numbers are belonging to what orders here. So that's actually quite nice as well. That's another way to format a data set, and that's just done in a few clicks. Now, this also comes with a lot of other stuff because it's a table, and that's a whole other thing. But you need to know both ways because you will need both at some point in your career. Probably mostly the simple formatting tricks that makes up this. Those you should be using all the time whenever you have a spreadsheet, because it'll make everything much easier to look at, and it will help your colleagues understand what's going on in your spreadsheet as well. Thanks for watching.